Right, so you've got your scatter graph, the mass and the length, and you just have to click onto one of those areas. You get this little square. Click onto that, and you can see one of those things down there is called the trend line. So you click on the trend line. Now, what the trend line is doing is it's showing you a trend, things that are following a certain pattern. And if you can start to see that there's a certain pattern going through this between the relationship between the mass and the length. Even this big mama up the top here is quite close to the trend line. So what you need to do is make sure that you get the trend line inside, and then you can copy and paste that as well. Just interesting with these graphs too, you can do a few extra things that you want to. You can change the color and all sorts of things down the side here. There's all different things that you can do. You can change the look of it. But one of the things you can do is, it doesn't have it here. You can change the color, transparency, the width of the picture. But sometimes in some of the apps you can actually change the background as well. So that's really effective because you can have a picture of, for example, picture of a fishing, something fishing, but it just depends on what software, what program you're using. But that will be enough to give you the trend line. And once again, you just take your snipping tool, cut that out, copy that, and then paste it in. And once you've pasted it in, then you're going to look at that and actually work out what the relationship is between the mass, how heavy it is, and the length, how long it is, what the relationship is. Because those are two variables, and it's really important that you understand how you use data to work out a relationship.